Since its iteration, AMD has been well known for its value for money tech. Such a great product is its powerful GPU RX 7900 XTX. A lot of manufacturers offer 7900 XTX cards, but which one of them is worth buying? Well, in today's video, we're going to guide you to the top 5 best RX 7900 XTX cards you can buy in 2023.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
At number 5, we have chosen one of the cheapest 7900 XTX options available on the market, the PowerColor Hellhound Radeon graphics card. Although it is comparatively budget-friendly option, this GPU doesn't lack many features that other premium GPUs have. Let's start with the design. The design of this GPU is rather straightforward. A rectangular design with 3 built-in fans. The middle fan spins in the reverse way so that it reduces the air turbulence between other fans when drawing in cool air. The mechanism therefore maximizes the airflow and pressure. The metal backplate strengthens and protects the internal components from PCB bend. This GPU has 24 GB of DDR6 RAM so that the games and other heavy tasks go smoothly without any interruption. Plus, it comes with a base clock speed of 2330 MHz that can be boosted up to 2525 MHz. This should give you extra frame rates in games and other crucial productive works. The newest 9-blade fans designed on these GPU generate better airflow and air pressure under the same noise level, improving cooling performance to reduce GPU temperatures by more than 3 degrees Celsius. Additionally, an internal built-in smart chip within the device automatically monitors the increase in temperature, providing efficient cooling, fan noise reduction, and extended product lifetime. To sum things up, the PowerColor Hellhound AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX offer all the essential features at a reasonable price, so you should definitely check this out. There aren't too many options for liquid-cooled GPUs, and this ASRock model is one of the only water-cooled 7900 XTX options on the market. So the next GPU in our lineup is the PowerColor RX 7900 XTX, also known as the PowerColor Liquid Devil. It features a precisely engineered nickel-plated copper base that effectively increases heat transfer efficiency and protects the copper base from corrosion and provides a sleek and cool look. The main benefit of this GPU is, of course, its thermal performance. When its pre-installed water block is hooked up to a cool loop, this card can achieve lower temperatures than air-cooled models. It's equipped with a full-size acrylic water block with flow path covering GPU, VRAM, and PWM, as well as other components, providing the best heat dissipation performance while presenting an aesthetic look, especially when the RGB is on. Because this GPU can be kept cool, ASRock has given it an impressive 2615 MHz boost clock, as well as a base speed of 2455 MHz. This means that it should not only perform well when overclocked, but should also be very fast out of the box. The 24 GB of DDR6 RAM adds cherry on top. The PowerColor Liquid Devil can frequently hit the max clock speed, giving an extra edge to the continuous gaming session. If you want the best out-of-the-box gaming performance from a Radeon GPU at any cost, the Sapphire NITRO Plus 7900 XTX has you covered. The card looks absolutely stunning, with a delightfully clean, all-metal design. It's augmented by ARGB LEDs, allowing you to change the colors of the LEDs for a more personalized design. The true secret sauce of the NITRO Plus is hidden beneath the hood. The beast outperforms its competitors at stock settings thanks to its 2680 MHz boost clock, which is significantly higher than the other 7900 XTXs on the market right now. The base speed is also much higher at 2510 MHz. It does this while remaining relatively cool and quiet too, especially if you enable its second BIOS. This GPU supports Sapphire's Red Quick Connect feature, allowing the GPU to stop spinning one of its 3 fans when not under heavy load. That means the NITRO Plus is completely silent when you aren't gaming or performing other GPU stressing work. So if you want to splurge for a high-end, impeccably designed custom version of the XTX, the Sapphire's NITRO Plus is well worth considering. Up next, we have the Gigabyte Radeon Gaming OC24G. It's a GPU that features Gigabyte's signature metallic design and top-of-the-line thermal performance. This card has the common black and gray design from Gigabyte that further stretches to the backplates as well, giving it a minimal yet premium outlook. For effective heat dissipation, this card has been designed with Gigabyte's Wind Force cooling solution with 300mm fans spin alternatively, 9 composite copper heat pipes, and a large vapor chamber touches the GPU. Moreover, you can adjust the clock speed and fan performance using the dedicated Aorus engine software. As for the performance, it has a base clock speed of up to 2330 MHz and a boost clock speed of up to 2525 MHz, which is slightly higher than the reference model. With the world's first gaming GPU powered by AMD RDNA3 chiplet technology, you can experience unprecedented performance, visuals, and efficiency at 4K and beyond. The 24GB of DDR6 VRAM is also enough for most of the AAA titled games. Overall, the RX 7900 XTX GPU is a fantastic card that features Gigabyte's latest air cooling design and will fit perfectly in most standard PC cases, allowing you to enjoy outstanding gaming performance as well as impressive thermal performance. Finally, at number 1, we have the XFX Speedster Merc as the best overall AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX GPU. It might not top any chart compared to others on the list, but it provides the best value for money when we see the current market price. With a current going price of about $1,000, this card has all the rendering chops and cooling performance more than some expensive models. Looking at the design, the XFX Speedster boasts a retro-inspired design that is reminiscent of the previous generation designs. Furthermore, the thinner triple fan design provides excellent cooling due to the open fans for continuous airflow. The double ball bearing structure of the fans provide better endurance and efficiency over other designs. The boosted clock speed of this GPU is rated at 2615 MHz, 115 MHz higher than the reference 7900 XTX and almost as high as the most expensive models. This faster clock speed should give you some extra frames in most games, making its out-of-the-box performance well worth the price. While it's not the quietest card on the list, it makes up for the slightly louder fan noise by staying cool. In fact, if you enable its max power BIOS, it should stay cooler than any other air-cooled card on the list. All in all, this card offers better than average specs and performance and yet still comes in significantly cheaper than other cards that offer similar performance. All of this makes it a stellar all-rounder that most gamers will be happy with.
Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.